197. Hi everyone, my name is Marie and I'm on the Shine On committee, and today I'm just going to be talking a little bit about some mental health tips to help you stay sane and happy and healthy during this really strange situation we've all sort of been thrown into. We're literally experiencing history right now, which is cool but also really scary and sort of overwhelming and definitely a little bit stressful. So I've just put together 5 easy tips to help you maintain good mental health during this weird period of time. So first up on the list is to clean up or tidy up your physical space. It can be distracting if there's a lot of mess around, and it can be hard to clear your head and to focus. And so what I'm suggesting is to just help your parents out with some chores maybe, or clean up your bedroom, or even rearrange it. Just do something to make it just a tiny bit less miserable that you're not really allowed to go out and do things anymore. My next tip is sort of similar to this, and it is to clean up your mental space. By that, I just mean do something to clear your head. There are kind of a few ways you can do this. The first one is to get creative. Do anything that is creative with some art supplies that you might already have at your house. If you're not really into that, another idea is to get active. Go outside and kick a ball around if you have a backyard, or go for a walk if your parents tell you it's okay, or just dance to some really good music in your room. Do something to get up and get moving. And then another way you can do this is to get inspired. And by this, I just mean, read a book, or listen to some new music, or maybe watch a new TV show your friends have been talking about. Take your mind away from the 4 walls of your bedroom for a little bit and go to a different world where there's not a pandemic. My third tip is one that a lot of people have been talking about, and that is to call your friends and family. It can be so hard to stop seeing the people that you used to see basically every day, and it can make you feel pretty lonely. So give your friends a call, video chat, text message. We have technology and we really should use it to our advantage to stay connected to people, even though we can't really see them. My 4th tip, kind of a boring one, but stay on top of your schoolwork. It is so weird to go from having in-person classes with all of your friends every day to now online school. That's not something you signed up for. That's not something I signed up for. And it's really important to stay productive and to keep trying to stay as normal as possible, even though this is really not a normal situation. And if you're having trouble staying focused on your schoolwork, try video chatting with some friends for an hour a day and doing a study hall, just so it doesn't feel like you're doing your work all by yourself. If you are really, really struggling, talk to your teacher, talk to somebody at your school, and just ask for some real guidance on how to make this new learning situation work for you. Okay, my last tip is to start a project. Anything you can do every day or a few days a week that is something you can look forward to, maybe something you've been meaning to try out but you just haven't had the time to. This can be something as stupid and silly as learning a few TikTok dances, or learning how to play an instrument if anyone in your family has a piano or a guitar, or work on like a really big puzzle. Something that you can look forward to and be excited about that's not school and that's not sitting in front of a computer. Alright, so those are all the tips that I have. It is a really weird and scary situation that we're living through, but we can make the best of it. We can try new things, we can stay connected, but of course, if you are feeling truly scared and overwhelmed, the best thing you can do is talk to someone about it. Don't keep those feelings inside, because they're not going to go away on their own, but they can definitely go away with the help of some friends or family members that you trust. That's all I have for you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you next time.